Okay, so I'm making this video because I have a Maytag Front Load Washer that kept producing the E01 F09 error, flashing up and down here and beeping. A lot of the reports said it was to do with excessive suds or a stuck drain filter. But I just wanted to take a little walk through. If you get the F09 E01 code intermittently, you can hit this 2 times and then this to try and force it to drain and unlock the door. However, if like me, it becomes a incessant, constant problem, you are probably going to have to get around the back and replace the water pump. So just a little insight into the washing machine. There's where the water comes in. Here's where your laundry detergent, etc. goes. Over there is the drain line, and here is the ventilation hose. So this is not a very difficult process. You just have to have some regular tools. You take off the back panel here, and down underneath here is where the drain water pump is. Let me get a light. So down in here, if you unscrew that hose when you have a blocked water line, you can collect the water and whatever debris comes out. I normally do it into a Pyrex dish and dump it into a 5-gallon bucket. But this here is the pump, and this is what went bad on mine. So I had to replace that. And this is what was originally in the unit. Down in that little hole, kind of hard to see, there is a little spinning pump that forces the water up this pipe, which goes into the drain pipe down here and out into your drain. And there is 4 screws, one there, one there, one there, and one there, and you just take them off with a socket wrench. So again, this is one screw's there, another one's up behind here. You have to unconnect or disconnect this blue electrical connector, unclip this hose using a clamp grip. And when you do actually do that, I highly recommend that you blow out this hose, whether with your mouth or with a compressed air. A lot of times there's a lot of gunk that connects up in this hose and causes the drain line to get clogged. And there is a screw there and another one down under there. Another issue that I did find while the back was off is right here there was a little drip of water forming, and it was to do with a lot of gunk, so it would collect down in here and actually cause some premature rusting down in here. So I recommend, while you have the back off, unscrew this with the Torx. There's a black rubber hose in here. Pull this piece off and clean it all out. There was a lot of gunk collected in here, and this would actually cause little pools of water that you may not even recognize or notice in your washing machine. So anyway, that's just a quick explanation. You can get the water pump at Amazon, 30 to 15 bucks. Well worth the investment. This unit's about 9-8 years old, and as we know, they're not built to last much past the 10 years. But if we keep it going, it will serve you well. Good luck.